Hello folks, Phoenix here, back at it again with the with the Cavalry Corps campaign. There shouldn't be much happening today, I'm not too sure. Okay, he bombards Bima. He's bombarding some bases. Airstrikes, let's see what happens. Okay, he's bombing Sidite. Nothing much happening today. Okay, we attack in Kandari today. Reduce the fortifications to 3. Destroyed a unit, very good. He takes that turn 8, I'm not too worried about that. That airfield expands to 6, interesting. Some bombings in China. It looks like he's putting pressure back up in China again. Maybe I think he's trying to go take Changsha. We hit a transport today, or a cargo ship, I should say. Bombing a Sidite. Honestly, not too much done. Overall quiet day. What do we get? A DD, AD, a couple XAKs, a couple new squadrons on the East Coast. And yeah. Let's see. So let's look at air losses for the day. So 7 and 8. He lost 8, so he lost 3 Dianas to Ops, 2 Lilies to Flak, a Liz, a Betty to Ops, and a Glenn to ground. So I must have sunk a sub today. If he lost something on the ground, very nice. Or a sub must have sunk. Let me rephrase that. So we sank a Toho today, very nice. Okay. Well, it's not much really happening. So we're on to the August 5th one. Let's see what arrived today. Got a new destroyer escort today. Very nice. Chittagog had a new squadron arrive into it. That must be something I am transferred over. New transport squadron over in Eastern USA. Yeah. Uh, 2 new transport squadrons. Very nice. New new DD in Cape Town. QR class. Okay. Auxiliary destroyer. Those are nice. Couple cargo ships. VBMS squadron. Here we go. A new Dauntless squadron. Very nice. I need to start upgrading some of these squadrons. I have a decent amount of Helldivers and SPD5s in my pool. Yeah, that seems like that's it. So, He's planning attack on some normal bases I've been seeing for a while. Some men based here, some men based here, okay. So he has the 65th Brigade there. Okay, that's encircled, but there's the 4th Division there. Oh. Okay, so he has part of an engineering regiment in Ambon. Infantry group there. Division there. Regiment, okay. Regiment. Couple of battalions here or there. Regiment there. Division there. Division there. Yeah, that's not too much everywhere. It's false information. Pretty sure I would spot him if he was there. Yeah, I have a decent amount of transports going on. So we had radio transmissions from Tokyo. Don't see those. I also saw something from Saipan. So he has something moving there. He has transmissions in Manila. Ships and planes in Manila. What is the closest? If after I take this base, after I take this base, I could bomb Manila. What bomber can reach Manila though? B-17Es, no. B-24Ds. They do have drop tanks, so yes, B-24Ds can reach it. I don't know if B-17Fs can reach it. I know these can. These guys have fucking amazing drop tanks. Well, I won't be able to check until I get some more supply into Darwin, which will happen over the next couple of days. Got a lot of supply heading into there. Whole lot of supply. Okay, folks. And that's it for this turn. I will be seeing you guys next time. Sorry for the short turns. There's just not much happening right now as I'm transitioning into more phases.